1 forward, 5 stop, 2 backward, 5 stop, 4, 3 forward. Let me activate the water tank by pressing 6. Now you can see water is flowing. By pressing 7 it will stop. Again by pressing 6 it will start flowing the water. By pressing 5 it will... So today we are going to discuss the project Advanced Firefighting Robot with mobile phone controlled and SMS alert with night vision camera. So this project have a lot of feature. I'm going to explain each and every feature one by one. So first of all, this is on off button. This button will on and off the project, and this is the fire sensor which will detect any combustible gas and the fire. To detect the combustible gas we are going to use this 10 rupee lighter. Like if you will off it, but still button is pressed, so it is emitting LPG gas. If I talk about this one, this will throw the water wherever you want to throw the water. This is the tank which will hold the water. This is the high current battery. This is these are the two battery. One battery capacity is of 2.5 ampere, but we are using two batteries, so the combined capacity will become 5 ampere. And this is the power bank. This power bank will provide power supply to this camera. You can use small power bank as well, there is no issue. This is the USB cable. You have to provide power supply to this camera through this USB cable. This camera is able to rotate in like horizontal directions and vertical direction as well. This camera also have night vision as well. If there will be complete darkness, then this camera will activate its IR sensor, so you can get the night vision as well. This camera will provide wireless video to your mobile phone because it have its own hotspot. You can connect it through internet as well. It have IP address as well, but to test the project you can show it on your mobile phone as well. Now if I talk about, these are the two, this is the red buzzer and this is the black buzzer and this is red indicator. They will on if fire will be detected, and if fire will be detected then it will send the message to the user. So as soon as fire will be detected, it will send a message to the user. And this is the relay. This relay is controlling basically this motor. So now if I talk about this relay have this red color indicator. This indicator will be on as soon as the relay will be on. So this indicator is acting as a indicator only, and these two transistors is acting as a amplifier. These two transistors will amplify the current coming from the microcontroller. This is the diode which is acting as a back EMF bypasser. So because single transistor cannot amplify the current so that it can drive the relay, so we are using these two transistors as a back EMF, as a Darlington pair. As I already told you, this is back EMF bypasser, this diode. As we are using this relay, all other relays can be also used in the same way. Each relay have same configuration what this relay have. These four relay we are using for the motors for the robot, because we have two motor, so for two motor have four terminals, so that's why we are using four relay. The water motor in this is the big motor of car windscreen, water thrower motor which we use in the car. This is the microcontroller which is 8051 microcontroller. This microcontroller will get signal from your mobile phone and will provide signal to the motor, so that robot can move backward forward direction and can provide water motor and also can activate the water motor as well. So this is the DTMF IC. This DTMF IC is capable of getting signal from the mobile phone. So this is like, you can use simple mobile phone as well, you can use app as well. I'm going to show you all the options. So these are the four LED indicator. These four LED indicator will show you whether data is coming from your mobile phone or not. Basically data will come from your mobile phone according to the key you will press, like 1 2 3 4, right? Now this is the GSM modem. You have to apply the SIM below this GSM modem. So this is the SIM. This camera is you can remove as well this cable. So this is the SIM over here. This SIM you have to insert in opposite direction. This symbol is also over here. Don't use Geo SIM. Normal 4G SIM will work over here, like Idea, Vodafone, Airtel. This SIM is of Airtel, by the way. So this is SIM 800 GSM module, which will send the message, and this is the Atmega 328 microcontroller, which is actually giving signal to the GSM module. This Atmega 328 microcontroller is also getting signal from the fire sensor. So this is the fire sensor, which will provide signal to that GSM module. As soon as it will detect the fire sensor signal, it will send the message to the user. This is the power supply section. These 4 diode, if you want to use transformer, then you can use these 4 diode as a rectifier. This is 7805 voltage regulator. Like this power supply, we have a similar power supply to this as well, board as well, because Atmega 328 is also using power supply. Now I'm going to show you how it's working. Just on the power supply, you have to wait for a approximately 40 seconds. This buzzer and LED will beep. Then after, you need to start the project, and this LED, you can see this LED will flash. This LED will flash very fast in the beginning, but as soon as it will receive the signal, this LED will flash slowly. Now this system has received the signal, and this buzzer and this, again I'm going to off it, and then I'll on it. Now you can see this buzzer and LED will on off for a moment. Now you can see this LED is flashing very fast because it didn't receive the signal. As soon as it will receive the signal, this will stop. Now you can see it will receive the signal, and after this beep you can use the project, because that was the preheating time for the sensor. Now let me place some object below this so that I can show you the working. Now this is the simple feature phone, Nokia phone. You can control. If you are going to use a feature phone, then use Nokia phone, and always remember the keypad tone must be high, like this. If this keypad tone is not high, then your project won't work, because ultimately sound is traveling from this mobile phone to the project. Now you can see, if I'll press 1, robot will move in the forward direction. Now you can see, if I'll press 2, robot will move in the backward direction. If I'll press 3, it will move in another direction. If I'll press 4, it will move in another direction. You can show the second tire as well. 1 forward direction, 2 backward direction, 3 left direction, 4 right direction, and if you press 5, then it will stop. Okay, so if you press 6, then there is a motor. This motor will get activated because there is no water. I will show you the working with water as well, but that I will do later. Now if you press 6, if you press 7, motor will stop. If you press 6, motor will start. If you press 7, motor will stop. So this is the simple working through this. Now I'm going to show you how you can control this project using wireless call. So you just need to make a call on this number. I'm going to make a call on this number. As soon as you will make call on this number, then you have to receive the call over here. In actual mode, now you receive the call. Call is received. Now you have wireless control. You can control this project wirelessly from anywhere. If you press 1, it will move in forward direction. If you press 2, it will move in backward direction. If you press 3, it will stop in left direction. If you press 4, right direction. If you press 5, robot will stop. There is no physical connection between this unit and this unit, but still this mobile phone is able to control this project. If you press 6, water motor will start. If you press 7, water motor will stop. So this is the wireless working. Now this phone is in India, and this phone is also like in India. But even if this phone is in USA and this phone is in India, still they will be able to control each other, because DTMF signal can travel wirelessly, right? Again, I'm going to show you the working. If you press 1, robot will move in the forward direction. If you press 2, it will move backward direction. If you press 3, it will move left. If you press 4, another direction. If you press 5, it will stop. If you press 6, motor will move. If you press 7, motor will stop, right? So this is the working through wireless communication. So what you need to do, you just need to receive the call over here on this number, but in product form in the form of product, you can just set the auto receive setting, then a phone will automatically receive the call. So this was through the feature phone. Let me show you through a app. Using app as well, you can control this. There are lots of DTMF app you can use. Like this is the DTMF app I'm going to show you. Go to Play Store. Now search the app DTMF tone generator. DTMF tone generator. This is the first app. Just install it. I'm going to make a special video how you can control these type of project using DTMF app. I'll make a special video on this, right? Open it. Now if you press 1, just increase the sound. Now this app is installed. This was the very first app. So let me clear. So now this app is installed, and this was the very first app. As soon as you will search DTMF tone generator app, if you press 1, it will move forward. If you press 2, it will move backward. If you press 3, it will move left. If you press 4, it will move another direction. 5, stop. 6, this motor. 7, stop. So you can make a wireless call as well. You just need to make a call on this number, right, through your normal keypad, and then it will be wireless. It can be controlled wirelessly, right? So now I'm going to show you this feature as well, the SMS feature, right? So we have put down this number over here. Like on this number message will come as soon as it will detect the fire. Now you can see this yellow LED also glows after, like this yellow LED was also on, and this buzzer will also beep. Now see the message on the screen is fire detected. If I'll open this message, then you will see fire detected. Let me show you again. As soon as fire will be detected, fire means this gas. Now you can see this yellow LED is also on, and this buzzer is on, and message should come over here on your phone. Now you can see message came. Now you can see message. Again I'm going to show you the same picture because this is very important. So what you have to do, you just on the lighter, then off it, but keep pressing this button, right? And if you will take here, then you can see this yellow indicator is also on, this buzzer and on, LED on, and message will come over here. Message should come. Now you can see message come on the screen. So this is the fire detection feature. As soon as message fire will be detected, SMS will come on your mobile number. This mobile number I have fed in the programming, but you don't have to put this SIM in the GSM modem. Put some other SIM in GSM modem, right? And the number which I have fed it in the programming, you just need to put that in your mobile phone only. I am going to show you the next feature, which is camera feature. So use any power bank. So this is normal power bank. You can use smaller power bank as well. Just provide power supply to the camera. Okay. Done. Just on it. Now camera will take some time to start. The app which we need to use to install the camera is V380 app. How you can use this camera, I have made a special video on that. You can go through that video. I'm going to provide the link of that video in the description given below. And as I already told you, I'm going to also provide a special video how you can connect these type of project which is using DTMF technology effectively. I'm going to discuss all the points which you need to remember. So now this camera, this will be automatically connected to this one. So now what you have to do, you just need to go to the Play Store. This is Play Store. Install the app V380. 80. This is the app. I have already installed, so it's showing the option update. So this is the app V380. Now because I have connected, so video will start coming over here. How you can connect it? I have made a special video, you can go through that. So now after installing the app, what you need to do, you just on the Wi-Fi, on it. You will get this number MV14746067. Just click on it. As soon as you will click on it, it will ask for connect. Just connect it. Now connected. Now go to the V380 app. Just open the V380 app. Now just refresh it. The camera will automatically come here. It will ask for the account as well. It will ask for your email ID. Just feed the email ID as well if it is asking for, and it will ask for set password. You can set the password as well. Now click on it. Now it will start showing the video. Now you can see. Now you can see. Working of camera. As simple as that. This is the simple working of this camera. You can control through mobile phone, right? There are lots of features in this camera. You can just test those features. It's all up to you. This is the mic. You can speak as well. Hello.
Hello.
Now whatever you will speak in your phone, that will be spoken over there. Hello.
Hello.
Like this. You can record, you can take snapshot of the picture, and there are lots of features in this camera. The sound from this camera will also come to your mobile phone as well. Hello.
Hello.
Like this. If you lose speaker, then this is simple. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
That will be spoken on the camera as well, whatever you will speak over here. And if you will click on PT chat, then you can control the camera in all the direction. So this is the working of this camera, right? How you can connect the camera, you can see that special video which I have made regarding this camera, V380 camera, right? So now I'm going to show you how this water tank is working. Just on the power supply. Now you have on the power supply. Just wait for a moment till this sensor is getting activated. As soon as it will get activated, then you can operate it. And the buzzer will beep. After that you can use the project. Before that, now you can use the project. So just open the app. This is the app which I have installed, DTMF Tone Generator app. DTMF Tone Generator app. If I press 1, it will move in the forward direction. If I press 2, it will move in the backward direction. If I press 5, it will stop. If I press 3, another direction. 5 stop. 4, another direction. 5 stop. 3, next. 1, forward. 5 stop. 2, backward. 5 stop. 4, 3, 4, 1, forward. Let me activate the water tank by pressing 6. Now you can see water is flowing. By pressing 7 it will stop. Again by pressing 6 it will start flowing the water. By pressing 5 it will stop. Again if you press 6, zoom कर देना. By pressing 6, now water, there is no water. Press 7. So this is the working of this project. You can control wirelessly as well by making call on this number, right? So this is the simple working of this project. I have shown you all the features. To video, you need to see how you can connect this camera and how you are using GSM communication. I'll upload separate video as well regarding that. Camera video is already there on my channel, circuitsbazaar.com. Circuits Bazaar YouTube channel, and this GSM video, there are lots of other video in which I am using the same technology, but I will make a special video as well for that, and keep the power supply off so that it is not using power supply. Now another important feature, just by giving 10 rupees you can get your battery charged. So these are the 2 points. These 2 points will help you to charge the battery, because these are the chargeable battery. If the robot will get discharged, then get these battery charged through these 2 points, right? These are for the manual charging. Just go to the bike repair shop, give them 10 rupee and you can get this battery charged. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can take out this camera as well from here like this. Okay, you just, if you want to place this camera, then you can place like this in this similar way. Okay, just by looking on these grooves you can connect this camera right over here, and you can take out as well. Thank you all very much for watching this video. You need to make